Welcome. You're watching the Revival Budget on NDTV. I'm Shweta Rajpal Kohli, and with us here a power-packed panel. Joining us, well-known banker and country head of HSBC, Naina Lal Kidwai, joining in from Bangalore, Rajan Anandan, Managing Director of Microsoft India, and with me here in the studio, R.C. Bhargav, Chairman of India's largest car maker, Maruti Suzuki, also Ashok Jha, former Finance Secretary and President of Hyundai Motor India Limited. Thank you all for being with us here on NDTV. Let me start by asking you, Ms. Kidwai, expectations are running way too high this time around with the budget. Too many pulls and pressures. Some people are calling it an inclusive budget, an investment budget. We're calling it the revival budget. Do you think the finance minister will be able to fulfill all these expectations?
I think you're absolutely right, Shweta. It's going to be very important for the government to manage expectations because expectations are running very high. And in terms of what needs to get done, there's obviously large requirements of money to be spent in infrastructure, large requirements for continuing with programs to do with the Aam Aadmi, whether it's NREGA, and indeed spending which is required in rural India. And we have seen that by putting money in the hands of our rural economy, we have been able to weather the storm that has happened in the rest of the world because rural demand was strong, rural demand was high, I suspect partly as a result of some of these schemes. And that allowed those corporates that are anchored in domestic demand to actually do well and weather what was the negative aspects of some other corporates possibly who had export-led growth or export-led businesses. And I think we are going to see these pulls and pressures to put money into the rural economy, into infrastructure, and to provide the stimulus, as indeed the government has continued to do over the last few months, and at the same time manage a fiscal deficit which is very high.
Indeed, a very high fiscal deficit is one worry for the finance minister. Pulls and pressures, but who would know better than you, Mr. Ashok Jha, that there are pulls and pressures for people sitting inside North Block every year. What makes this year's budget different?
I think one of the prime differences this year is that, as Naina just mentioned, there is a very high fiscal deficit.
Right.
So you have on the one hand the imperatives for growth. You have to continue to ensure that the economy grows rapidly. And on the other hand, you have a very high fiscal deficit.
Right.
So the finance minister will have to do a lot of jugglery.
Balancing act, indeed.
To ensure that both the objectives are met.
How do you think, Mr. Rajan Anandan, he can ensure that he can meet both the objectives of delivering growth at the same time ensuring that the spending doesn't go completely out of hand, given that we are already running a high fiscal deficit? Also, as someone who represents the world's largest software maker in India, isn't this budget also all about sending out the right signals and building confidence, bringing back confidence into the Indian market?
We do think it's going to be about, given what's just been discussed around the very high fiscal deficit, right? I think it will boil down to what are the, 5, 10, 15 major initiatives that the government can drive that will have a meaningful and significant impact on the economic trajectory of the country. As we look at this from a domestic IT industry, both software and hardware,